Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the image in Photoshop and confirming you have a version that supports text recognition. You want a high contrast, reasonably straight text area. Crop and rotate now so the text fills the frame. Once done, convert to a standard RGB profile and duplicate the background layer. This preserves the original. You do this because OCR works best with clear contrast and minimal distortion, and having a duplicate layer lets you try adjustments non-destructively. You run the recognition tool now, use Type Recognize Text, or send the image through Adobe Camera Raw's OCR pipeline when available. Make sure to adjust contrast and clarity first. Levels, sharpen, and noise reduction help the algorithm read characters. Once Photoshop returns results, inspect the type layer or extracted text for errors. You'll usually need small fixes where font or punctuation confuse the OCR. Make sure to keep the edited duplicate layer so you can rerun recognition after corrections. You finish by cleaning up the editable text and matching fonts, spacing, and punctuation to the source. If text looks wrong, stop and address image issues. Increase contrast, apply a small despeckle or blur to reduce artifacts, and straighten any skew, then rerun recognition. Make sure to save a PSD with layers and also export copied text to the clipboard or a TXT file. One troubleshooting tip: if repeated attempts fail, try a different OCR engine or convert to a higher resolution scan before reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.